Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. We've got the bed buggers for you in this video. The old school moving van lines that kept America moving and rolling along. I think you're going to enjoy this, so stick around town.
Be fellas, coffee, tea, or me?
Yeah, we've been driving all day long.
All we want's a hot breakfast.
Yeah, I want a T-bone bone smothered in onion.
Yeah, Flo, all they want is a hot breakfast.
Dane, kiss my grits.
I hope you're enjoying these killer bed buggers, the old moving companies and their cab overs. And boy, at a time in the United States when color meant everything. These days you don't see much of that. But anyways, there's more to come. But before we do, I want to tell you about the GMC Jamboree Truck Show that's going on right here in Conneaut, Ohio this summer, the first Saturday in June, June 6th. Here's the flyer. All pre-1990 trucks are welcome. Don't worry about it being no trailer queen. We want to see it in whatever stage of restoration it is, or whether you're just, however you're driving it. We want to see it and appreciate it, because it's all about when America was great in trucking. So make sure you try and make it to the GMC Jamboree this year. Now let's enjoy some more bed buggers.